Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is NCST workshop organized. Recently, a workshop on Janjati Anusandhan Asmita Astitva Evam Vikas concluded in New Delhi. This two-day workshop was organized by the National Commission for Scheduled Tribes, that is NCST. Significantly, the workshop was inaugurated on 27th November at Vigyan Bhavan. In the workshop, the need for documentation on oral tradition to rectify the tribal histories was highlighted. The workshop included discussions on linkages of the STs from past to present, heavy degradation of natural resources, malnutrition, distress migration, increase in population under BPL, destruction of the traditional development system, and increase in social distress. Now, information about NCST, that is National Commission for Scheduled Tribes. NCST was established by amending Article 338 and inserting a new Article 338A in the Constitution. It was established through the Constitution 89th Amendment Act 2003. By this amendment, the erstwhile National Commission for Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribes was replaced by two separate commissions, namely the National Commission for Scheduled Caste, that is NCSC, and the National Commission for Scheduled Tribes, that is NCST.